Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your location on DirecTV stream. If you are using a connected TV device like a Roku, Fire Stick, or a Gemini box, and you see a message saying you are not at home, this usually means your home network needs to be reset. Start by opening the DirecTV app on your device. Navigate to Settings. From there, go to System, then select Home Network. Now choose Set Home Network. This will reset your current network and register your device as being at home again. Keep in mind, you can only change your home network up to 4 times per year. So try to use this option only when necessary. Now, if you have permanently moved to a new address, you will need to update your billing details. Open a browser and log in to your account on the DirecTV website. Go to your account settings, usually under Account Details or My Profile. Update both your service address and billing address with your new information. It is also important to update your billing zip code with your credit card provider. This ensures everything matches and prevents any service issues. Thanks for watching.